In this video, I'm going to show how you can edit on a bigger screen inside of Final Cut Pro. You can drag this stuff over to left and right to create a bigger space. And if you already have, let's say, all the clips you need from here onto your timeline, you can use these options over here to remove the extra things and now just make the screen by itself. If you want to be able to see the screen bigger, you can move this down more and still edit off of here. And then same thing with the other way. You can make it bigger and have the screen up here. Let's get rid of the screen. So now you have a much easier timeline to edit on. The other thing is you can go to Window, click on Show in Workspace, and everything that you have selected, it shows. Whatever is not selected, it doesn't show. So audio meters, and now removes the audio meters. You can go over here to Workspaces and actually click Save Workspace As. Let's just put full screen, hit Save. So now when you go to Workspace, go back to default, so everything's back to normal. You're able to just click Window, Workspaces, Full Screen, and it brings you back to there. That was it for this video, just a quick tutorial on how you're able to make your screen go more full screen for editing. Now, I definitely recommend if you have a second monitor to just use the second monitor. You're able to still have everything that you need, and then you can just move the other stuff to the other monitor. I actually have a video showing how to do that too on my channel, and thank you for watching.